Why leg strength matters after 60. Are you struggling with weak legs, stiffness, or balance issues as you age? Most people assume it's just a natural part of getting older. But here's the reality: it can be one of the earliest signs of age-related muscle loss, known as sarcopenia. And it often happens silently, with no pain or swelling, until one day, you suddenly need help just to stand up from a chair. You're not alone. But the good news? Science shows that 3 key vitamins can help rebuild strength, support nerve function, and improve circulation in your lower body. No need for strenuous workouts or expensive therapy. These are proven nutrients, backed by real research. Let's break down exactly what they are, how they work, and how you can use them to build stronger legs fast. This isn't health gossip. It's based on clinical investigations, decades of research, and real-life success stories. Whether you're climbing stairs, getting out of a chair, or simply hoping to stay independent, leg strength is essential. What many people don't realize is that the legs are often the first part of the body to show signs of weakness, making everyday activities harder, even if you feel healthy and eat well. According to the American Geriatric Society, adults over 60 can lose between 1% to 3% of their muscle mass every year. That's why today, we'll explore 3 essential vitamins that support muscle repair, nerve health, and blood flow, all backed by science. Vitamin number 1, vitamin D, the muscle repair powerhouse. Vitamin D isn't just for bones. It plays a key role in muscle protein synthesis, helping your muscles recover and grow stronger. Low levels of vitamin D have been directly linked to poor lower body strength and an increased risk of falls in older adults. How to get it? Natural sources: sunlight, fatty fish like salmon, egg yolks, and fortified dairy products. Supplements: look for vitamin D3. Most seniors need between 800 to 2,000 IU daily, depending on blood levels. Always consult your doctor. Quick tip: take it with a meal that contains healthy fats, as vitamin D is fat-soluble and absorbs better with fat. Vitamin number 2, vitamin B12 for nerves and muscle activation. Vitamin B12 supports healthy nerve function, helping your brain and muscles communicate properly. A deficiency can cause numbness, tingling, and weakness in the legs. This is especially common in older adults due to reduced absorption with age. How to get it? Food sources: meat, fish, dairy, and fortified cereals. Supplements: if you're over 60, you may need sublingual B12 tablets or even B12 injections. Aim for 500 to 1,000 micrograms daily when supplementing. Bonus: B12 also helps with red blood cell production, which improves oxygen delivery to your muscles. Vitamin number 3, vitamin E for blood flow and endurance. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that improves circulation and reduces oxidative stress in your muscles. Better circulation means more oxygen and nutrients reach your legs, boosting endurance and speeding up recovery. How to get it? Food sources: almonds, sunflower seeds, spinach, and avocados. Supplements: look for mixed tocopherols, not just alpha-tocopherol. A daily dose of 100 to 200 IU is generally safe. Pro tip: combine it with vitamin C or CoQ10 to enhance antioxidant benefits. How to combine these vitamins for maximum effect? Here's how to use these vitamins strategically for best results. Take vitamin D with breakfast, ideally alongside healthy fats like eggs or avocado toast. Take vitamin B12 mid-morning, or use a sublingual form, especially if you have digestion issues. Take vitamin E with your main meal to boost absorption. And don't forget, hydration and light exercise will help your body absorb and utilize these nutrients more efficiently. Final thoughts and motivation. You don't need intense workouts or costly equipment to build stronger legs. Supporting your body with the right nutrients gives your muscles, nerves, and blood flow exactly what they need to rebuild and perform. Always consult your healthcare provider before starting any supplements, especially if you're on medication.